In this time I will show you how to crochet adorable blouse in Irish lace technique. We are working on the front side. We divide our work on some parts. We make a picture in real size. Then we pin ready project on a painting or picture. Pin ready cords and flowers. I fill up the free places with chaotic mesh. Let's take a look at the back side. I'm making the back side in the same way as I did the front side. Continue with the joining two sides together. And to finish the blouse, make trim around the blouse. This is the pattern in real size or picture. For work you need scissors, cords. You can find such cord in tutorial 47. Irish project from the tutorial number 3. Math, cotton yarns, crochet hooks and pins. Let's begin the work. I pin ready project on a mat. It is going to be the bottom part of the blouse. As you can see, it will be uneven edge. Then I will be making the upper part of the blouse. I will pin flowers and cords. As you can see, I have done a half of the upper part. I have pinned cords, flowers, and I fill it up 3 places with chaotic mesh. All 3 places is filled up with chaotic mesh. The chaotic mesh made of other kind of yarn. We continue the work. This is back side of the blouse. I have done it in the same technique. I pin ready projects, cords, flowers, then sew them together. This is cute flower, and all 3 places is filled up with chaotic mesh. I am making the joining our details or elements. I am sewing the cords in places of contiguity. Then I fill up all 3 places with chaotic mesh. Let's begin the chaotic mesh. Make a chain of 2, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, make a single crochet into the chain space, chain of 2, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, 1, 2, make double crochet into the chain space, not finish, then double crochet, not finish, and pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain, 1, 2, 3, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, 1, 2, insert the hook into the chain space by working single crochet. So I will join in this way all 3 places, all motifs. I will join in this way or details. I have done one shoulder. Let's begin the trim. It will be a row of single crochet stitches. Make a chain. And make single crochet into the chain space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pin this part. Then single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we continue with the next chain space. 1, 2, 3. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. I have done the first round of the trim. I did the slip stitch into the chain stitch in the beginning. The second row made of black color of yarn. Take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, make single crochet into each stitch. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. Like this. I have done the trim. You should crochet the trim in this way for the second side and for the neckline. Today we have learned how to crochet unusual blouse in Irish lace technique. For this model we used ready project, flowers, cords. I fill up all 3 places with chaotic mesh. And to finish this work, make trim around the blouse. Thanks for watching.